My name is Dhruv Sharma. I am the CEO of Jupiter Solar Power Limited. Jupiter Solar Power Limited has set up multi-crystalline cell manufacturing facilities at Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. This facility came online in August 2009. We have currently a capacity of 40 megawatts. Our strategy had been right from the beginning to focus on very high quality and high efficiency cells, and therefore we made the requisite process investments, equipment investments, and in technology, which has resulted in today with an average efficiency of 16.4%. Moving forward, our technology roadmap would involve putting up of a selective emitter and doing some optimization in a back-end printing, which would allow us to reach 16.8% efficiency at an average by October 2010. We have an expansion program, and that expansion program, by our own strategy, is based upon being one of the finest manufacturers of cells worldwide. We're going to be setting up a new facility with 100 megawatt capacity in July next year. This would be focused at optimizing efficiencies at 17%, which will allow significantly contribute towards achieving our grid parity for the solar power generations. We, in order to stay competitive, would also be looking at establishing, going backwards and establishing a wafer manufacturing facility. This would be done in India and in Germany together, which would allow us to have in-house access to wafers, which would allow us to leverage economic benefits as well as technology balancing. Our long-term goal, as we see ourselves, is to be power producers and abating power production worldwide, and therefore we have plans to participate in India to start with, and eventually look at venture partnerships in Africa, Middle East for setting up power projects. We do believe that the time for solar has come, and we do believe that this is the path that everybody has to walk. And we, for ourselves, are committed to optimizing the efforts in order to ensure that the society can involve and engage in solar production, solar power production through various technologies. Thank you.